Austin. I work at RoyOMartin. I'm on the green end. I've been here for 18 years. Came through the job fair and I started working here in 2001. But once I come off of the green change, I started working on the off-feed, the vat off-feed, vat 1 through 4. And after a little while there, I started working on the deck, on the green end. Then I went on, after they started the new line, I started working there, helping them. I became a lead man in the green end under my supervisor. He seen me helping out all the time, doing a lot of extra things and, concerned with the company. So he thought that I'd be a good candidate to be a lead man. He really inspired me. Well, I like RoyOMartin because he got great benefits. My wife, really needed them, so it was a great help for me. When I came out here, I knew that it was the job for me, really because of how the people really treated me. I'm able to provide for my family. When I came to RoyOMartin, I found a career. I see me retiring out here at RoyOMartin. That's my future. I'm Robert Austin, and I'm glad somebody believes in me.